Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can instantly apply a mutation to your pets in Grow a Garden using the new item here. You can get it by purchasing it from the Fall Festival Gears. It is called the Golden Acorn. Resets a pet back to age 1 but empowers it with a random mutation, must be over age 40. So I have one, so I'm going to use it wisely, hopefully. I'm just going to use it on my dragonfly. Honestly, if I don't get a good mutation, it's fine. I just need to test it out for you guys. So just trying to find my dragonfly here. Hello? Where is it? Okay, you're not the one I'm looking for. Should be somewhere around here because the pancakes are here. I think I might just pick the dragonfly up and put it back. So it also must be above the age of 40. So pick up dragonfly, and then where's my acorn? Hurry, hurry. Oh, then I'm just going to press it. Oh, and my dragonfly got the shiny mutation from that instantly. But yeah, that is pretty much it. You don't have to wait for the like chamber here. I know that takes like a few hours. I actually don't know. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.